Hi guys, and welcome to World of Keto Diets. Today I'm going to talk about 3 interesting facts regarding keto diet for beginners. So let's go. Fact 1. Keto diet will provide you with the same results as if you were fasting. On a ketogenic diet, your entire body switches its energy supply to run mostly on fat, burning fat all day long. This means that when the insulin levels become low, fat burning can increase significantly. It becomes easier to activate the body's fat stores and to burn them off. This is very good if you want to lose weight, but there are also other benefits, such as decreased hunger and a balanced supply of energy. This will result in increased focus and awareness throughout the day. This process is quite similar to fasting because of the lack of food that results in the body activating the fat stores. The only difference is, you don't have to fast. Fact 2. Increased energy and brain power. Ketogenic diets can be used specifically for increased mental performance. Beside this, it's also very common that people experience an increased energy when they are in the state of ketosis. On a ketogenic diet, the brain doesn't need dietary carbs. It's fueled 24/7 by ketones. Therefore, ketosis results in a steady flow of ketones to the brain, thus avoiding problems experienced with big blood sugar swings. This often results in improved focus and mental performance, and can, for example, prove very useful on the job or at the school if you find it hard to stay focused. Fact 3. You can eat the food that you love. The keto diet lets you eat foods often considered unhealthy in such a way that it ends up supports your long-term health goals. This changed the way that we see the word dieting, because now you can focus on the food that you love and can still eat rather than what you can't eat. This can be an extremely useful way to stick to a diet and keep staying motivated to complete it. Well guys, that was today 3 interesting facts about keto diet. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and learned something new. Now, I would like to talk about the Keto Diet Guide that you can find through the link in the description. If you find Keto Diet interesting and you want to give it a try, well, then this guide is just what you need. With this guide, you will get a Keto Diet Guide on beginner's level, where you will be walked through every small step. Here you will learn about the diet in its full, which processes that take place during the diet, the state of ketosis, and how to achieve this state, and much more. And of course, you will get tons of recipes, guidelines, and schedules for you to use keto diet most effectively. And of course, the guide provides a 60-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the guide. But thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe and check out the Keto Diet Guide in the link in the description. Until next time.